Embracing Imperfection, Conquering Public Speaking Anxiety. MsSassyPat. Welcome everyone to my channel. Are you one of those individuals who feel uneasy at the prospect of addressing an audience? Do you believe that lacking stellar speaking skills is a barrier to sharing your thoughts on YouTube? Well, you're not alone. Many successful YouTubers began just like us. In this video, I'll talk about the 10 crucial principles to assist you in creating engaging YouTube content, even if you don't consider yourself a polished speaker. These 10 points will enable you to transform your fears of public speaking into a stepping stone towards becoming a triumphant YouTuber. I understand the anxiety and self-doubt that may hold you back, but believe me, everyone has to start somewhere. Point 1. Embracing imperfections. The initial key is embracing imperfection. Remember, no one expects perfection from you. Embrace your nervousness and be genuine. Authenticity is valued, and imperfections are what makes us unique and relatable. Point 2. Preparation is essential. Plan your content in advance. This will boost your confidence and keep you on track during recording sessions. Point 3. Focus on quality over quantity. While the audience numbers may be low initially, invest your time in creating high-quality videos. The more polished and engaging your content becomes, the higher the chances of attracting new viewers over time. Point 4. Practice leads to progress. Don't anticipate perfection overnight. Through consistent practice and self-challenge, you'll notice substantial enhancements in your public speaking abilities. Point 5. Authenticity draws. Just be yourself. Allow viewers to glimpse the real you. People are attracted to genuine personalities who share authentic experiences. Point 6. Engage with your viewers. Foster interactions and respond to comments. Building a community will make your audience feel valued and keep them returning for more. Point 7. Leverage visual aids. Incorporate visually appealing elements, such as images or slides, to enhance your message and add interest to your videos. Point 8. The power of storytelling. Share personal anecdotes or stories related to your topics. Stories forge connections and make your content memorable. Point 9. The power of self-recording. Dedicate some time to refine your public speaking abilities. Consider recording yourself while reading something aloud. Take the time to genuinely listen to the recording, pinpointing areas where you can enhance your public speaking. Are you speaking too quickly or too softly? Concentrate on those crucial aspects for improvement. Point 10. Patience and persistence. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither will your YouTube channel. Consistency and an unwavering determination are essential ingredients for success in any endeavor. In conclusion, and that wraps our discussion on conquering the fear of public speaking. Remember, the journey to becoming a confident, successful YouTuber starts with the first steps, embracing your imperfections and being true to yourself. I hope you found these 10 points helpful and inspiring. Whether you're just starting or have been on this YouTube adventure for a while, know that progress comes with practice, authenticity, and continuous learning. So go ahead and put these principles into action. Start planning your content, share your passions, and connecting with your audience. Don't forget to engage with the viewers, utilize visual aids, and share your stories. They're always the key to making your content truly stand out. Lastly, always be patient and persistent. Your YouTube channel is your creative space, and it's okay to evolve over time. Remember, every successful YouTuber was once in our shoes, facing the same challenges and doubts. But with determination and consistency, you can always achieve your goals and create a thriving YouTube channel. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content on personal growth, public speaking, and YouTube tips. Feel free to share your thoughts and questions in the comments section below, and I'll be sure to respond. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Until then, keep embracing imperfections and sharing your unique voice with the world. You got this. Miss Sassy Pat.